Do you like the way I flick my tongue or not? You can ride my face until you're dripping calm. Can you lick the tip and throw the dick or not? Can you let me stretch that pussy out or not? I'm not the type to call you back tomorrow, but the way you wrap around me is a problem. Ain't nobody tryna save ya, baby, get that paper. Probably got a lot of other bitches, so you favors. Pussy so good, had to save that shit for later. Took her to the kitchen, fucked her right there on the table. She rapping so-mo to the death. I'm tryna make these bitches sweat. I'm tryna keep that pussy wet. I'm tryna fuck her and her friends. Fuck her and her friends. You gon' run it for these hundreds, girl, or nah? Show me, is you really about your money, girl, or nah? Don't play with a boss, girl, take it off. Take it for a real one, you gon' get it all. Is you really about your money or nah? Can you really take dick or nah? Can I bring another bitch or nah? Is you with this shit or nah? Or nah, or nah? Would you ride for a single or nah? Would you die for a single or nah? Would you lie to a single or nah? Or nah? Or nah? I'm a freaky deaky lover, wanna hit you from the back in other ways that you have never experimented. Under the covers, roll around the bed with me is something you don't just discover. If you wanna get with me, you've gotta keep it on 100. I'ma make you scream my name, I'ma make you glad you came. Oh, I'ma make you scream my name, I'ma make you glad you came. For the
panoramic, bitch, ooh, panoramic. I like light skins, what are dark skins? Bitch, you gon' really put that arch in. Ain't no slowing down, we getting started. Too much money in my face, it done turn me cold.